BTC. Today we're gonna be talking about bots that can be used for scanning of token and analyzing of token. So today we'll be talking on two bots: safe analyzer bots and fighter bot. This is a safe analyzer bot here, as you can see. So now, how do we use this safe analyzer bot? To use safe analyzer bot, first of all, what we just need to get is the CE of the token. You get the CE of the token and you paste it on the safe analyzer bot. But before that, you'll be asking I know some of you will be asking the question, where did you see this safe analyzer bot? This safe analyzer bot is usually on the TG. All you just have to do is go to your TG search up button, search safe analyzer. When you search the safe analyzer, the bot will pop up. Just click on the bot. Once you click on the bot, you open the bot and you click on start. Once you click on start, the bot will automatically start running. You understand? So now let's dive down to how I'm going to use it. Let's get a CA. Okay. Let's look at this particular token now, Bobo. Let's copy the CA of this token, this Bobo. Okay. Okay. Now we paste this CA here. We click on it. Look at this Bobo now. It's showing us just the Bobo, the CA of the Bobo. This Bobo is renounced, as you can see. Liquidity pool ratio is 59%. Liquidity is on PancakeSwap. There are 630 holders, and the highest holder is holding about 3.3% of the token. Then the market cap is $22,430,000. The liquidity is $13,241. The initial market cap is $11,646. Liquidity pool is locked. That is 98% of the liquidity pool is locked for 31 days on PinkCell. The buy ratio is 6, while the sell ratio is 6. Okay, this is the gas fee, the transaction, the month transaction. The age is 10 hours. Understand? Yeah. Okay. Now, this is just basically all. And then it also has the data analyzer, the chart. If you want to view the chart and the BSC scan. Okay. Let's say you want to go dive down into this token to get more information about the token. It also display the website, the Telegram and the website of the token, if the token actually has Telegram. If the Telegram is being included in the smart contract, it will definitely pop up here. But if it's not included, you're not going to see it. Okay, let's dive down to the desk analyzer and see. Open it. Okay, look at it here. The token analyzing report, Bobo. Okay, which is on BSC. Bobo is the contact address. Is the ownership is announced and the market cap is, as you can see, 18,000. The liquidity pool is low for that 2 days. Current liquidity is this. You can see buy and sell has 60%. Hold has 637 holders. Audit found. Okay, the scam level, as you can see, the scam level is the scam risk is okay. Understand? Then the clip start to this the current liquidity pool. What this simply implies is this scam risk. What simply implies is it tells about the risk level of that token. I'll get the scam token and paste so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, yeah. Okay. Let's get this. Let me get another token and use for analysis. Okay. Let me just get a random token so you understand what I'm talking about. Let me just get a random token. Okay, let me take this to go right now. No. Okay, let's get this to go. Okay. Okay. Now let's look at this token. It seems to be connected. So let's look at it. Okay. We paste it just as we did the first one, we paste it here and we check out. As you can see, this token is not renounced and the liquidity pool is burnt actually, but it's not renounced. Okay. See, this token has a website. As you can see, just now I was to you guys here. This is the website. Also this is the TG. The two, and because the website and the TG have been added on the contract on the on the smart contract, that's why you're able to see it here. So you're able to pop up. Okay. Let's look at it here. The scam level. Okay, see the risk level now. Look at it now. It's red showing that it's not okay. Or you check the smart contract code. Something is fishy. As you can see. Something is fishy. Okay. The next part of it is just the chart. Look at the chart. You open the chart and you want to take a look at the chart. This is just the chart of the token. Open the chart. Look at the buy and the sell and how the chart looks like. Okay. Honeypot. The token is a honeypot actually, just like as you can see. Okay. You just click on it. It shows you the graph of that token as you can see it right now. Okay. Then this is the buy and the sell down the transactions that have been done on it. Time, the date, the time, the type, the price, size, and the amount. Okay. And why the last one is BSC scan. The token has the last one this analyzer two is the BSC scan. Okay. If you want to get an in-depth knowledge about this stuff, I want to look at this token very, very well. Just click on the DSC scan to show you everything, the smart contract, the contract itself, where you can decode, where you can read and where you can write the contract, and where you can look at the code that was being used to write the smart contract that is running this token, as you can see. Okay. Basically, I think that is all for this desk analyzer tool. Let's just dive down to the fighter tool. Okay. Let's look at the fighter tool. Let's look at the fighter tool. Okay. Yeah. This is a fighter boots here. Unlike just like this analyzer, the fighter tool also is also being used for the same purpose as this analyzer tool. Understand? Just to analyze the token and usually used for by diligent traders too. Understand? Due to time and everything. Okay. Now, how do you use this boot? The first thing you have to do is at first just the same way you did the same way you did for the this analyzer. All you just have to do is just you copy the CA, you come and paste it here. You click on send. You analyze the token. Understand? So, but first and foremost, what you have to do, maybe you don't have your phone. What you have to do is just you go to your TG, you search for crypto fighter bot. Once you click on it, you open the crypto fighter bot, you activate it. Once you activate it, it will start running. So just like this one, as you can see this one now. Okay. So you paste this just like you paste the CA, as you can see. Look at it, the ownership is not renounced. The honeypot is a honeypot. The contact function is has the maintain function. Liquidity is born 100%. Okay, let's take a look at the format token will be looking at earlier. The Bobo, 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 Bobo. Okay, let's look at that Bobo. This is that Bobo. let's look at Bobo. Paste the Bobo, let's see. As you can see, the Bobo can sell vital sectors in all announced. The age is 1 day. That's it. So one thing I have to note about this boot that these boots are not 100% perfect. As you can see here, it's saying it's not renounced, but on the this analyzer to is saying that it's renounced. So most times they are not 100% perfect. That's why I use more than one of these, or I use the combination of the both of them to be able to spot out and get my figures right, avoid making mistake. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Please do well to subscribe. My name is Should BTC and this is DJ Power. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day, and I will be able to get something new and get knowledge in this thing. Thank you. Bye.